Welcome to Uprising 144K. Guys, I am at this other amazing hike, and this spot is so hard to get to that literally there's nobody here. I'm literally out here alone, and I thought you guys might enjoy it. Again, some people seem to, look at that, isn't that awesome? And it doesn't seem that any car can even make it out here. First you drive out here to the hike. I'll be taking some more footage when I get to the end of the hike. But the road is just so filled with deep snow that cars just can't make it. And yeah, I'll show you more at the end of the hike. Welcome back to Uprising 144K. So I'm on this hike. It's incredibly difficult to get here, which is why there's literally nobody here. But me, I absolutely love rivers. Rivers are like my favorite. Mountains, rivers. And of course I love oceans and different things, but I just love the river the most. And one of the things that I look for is actually hikes that are along the river. That's one of the things I specifically look for, because I love hiking next to the river. I love the peaceful sound of just the water running. And some of my viewers have expressed interest in seeing some of this, so I'm just sharing it with you guys. See how I'm just hiking along the river the whole way, and eventually this particular hike ends up at a waterfall, so I can share that with you guys too if you'd like. And this little bench right here, here's where I typically sit down to eat some lunch. I brought some lunch with me. If you guys are interested in the future, you can ask me and I can film some of the food I bring along with me. Sometimes people are interested in that. But personally, I just love it when there's nobody out here. The sound of silence is a beautiful thing. In fact, I'll just stop talking for a moment. Yeah, it's just really great out here. Of course, sometimes the camera just doesn't capture it, like the experience of being out here. I'm not going to film the whole hike, but I can try. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'll try to film, though, the waterfall when I get at the end. It'll probably be really loud, so you may not hear me be able to talk. But I'll update here in a second. Alright guys, till next time. So I'm still here on part of the hike. I'm not even at the end yet, but I wanted to show you guys this. This is so cool. So you check out the rock. Look at this. It's like ice sculptures. Look at all this ice. Look at all that. Man, that is just awesome. Looks like giant crystals. Oh, what? Look at this, guys. There's water in there. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I love it. Look at that. It's a little difficult to walk through here because you kind of have to duck like you're in a cave. Alright, I just thought those icicles were cool. I was sharing it with you guys. I just thought this was the funniest thing. If you notice, look, you don't really see a lot of snow on top of the trees at this time. Look at this guy right here. He's got a big ball of snow that's still up there. I just thought that was kind of amusing and funny to look at. Oh, that one has a little bit too right there. Dripping down on me. Alright, almost the end of the hike. I'll post the next video here when I get to the very, very end. Alright everybody, welcome again to Uprising 144K. I'm at the end of the hike. Whoa! And I thought I'd share with you. Check it out. Favorite sound. This. That. looks so clean, it almost looks like you could drink out of it. Well, you might be able to, but I would never risk that. You enjoy the sound of the waterfall. The air smells so clean up here too. I like taking really deep breaths. Deep into the lungs. Guys, hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, welcome to Uprising again, guys. I was able to hike to the top of the waterfall, which is quite difficult, but I made it. And here we go. I'm going to show it to you guys. Look at that. This goes. Snow is really quite deep here. There's that waterfall. Down and way down there. Right there is where it goes off the ledge. Kind of walk here. So nice. The air is so cool and refreshing. All the negative ions in the air. Get to breathe them in. It's actually one of my secret meditative spots. I like to sit next to the running water. Well, alright guys, that's the last of my video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know it and I'll share more of these hikes with you guys. Until next time. Here's just a little extra on the way back down the hike from the waterfall. I was just thinking to myself, pretty good for a guy who couldn't walk. Now look at me. I'm walking in deep snow, up hills. Not even afraid to be by myself because I used to be afraid that I could just, get hurt easily. But it just feels so good when you have confidence in your body. I'm going to have to try to drink some of that water sometime. Maybe I'll filter it first or take some home sometime. Alright guys, I'm not sure if I'll take my voice in slow motion, but I thought it'd be cool to...
The spirits
being put through here.
Oh, can you hear it? It's the children who come to mind.